Hi mga kasoldering, so for today's video, ang ipapakita po namin is WD-40 multi-use product made in USA, WD-40-MUP-382. So ayun siya guys. Ayun ang WD-40. The name WD-40 has a very specific meaning. WD for water displacement and 40 is the 40th formula. WD-40 is a product designed to displace water and prevent rust while also lubricating and cleaning metal surfaces. The initial purpose was to protect missile parts from rust and corrosion. It was the 40th formula attempt, hence the name W-40. Here are some key properties. WD-40 has several unique properties that make it versatile. Number 1 is penetrate tight spaces, loosens stock bolts and hides. Number 2 is lubricates moving parts, reduces frictions. Number 3 prevents rust and corrosion, forms a thin protective layer. Number 4 is displace moisture, protects electrical contacts and wet tools. And lastly, cleans grease and grime, removes adhesive, tar, and dirt. These properties make WD-40 suitable for hundreds of uses in daily life. Uses of WD-40. Let's discuss the main uses of WD-40 in detail. Number 1 on the list is lubrication. Lock, wheels, gears, and chains. Number 2, rust prevention. Metal tools, bicycle, machinery, and car parts. Number 3 is moisture displacement. Electrical contacts, spark plugs, wet engines. Number 4 is cleaning. Removes grease, tar, adhesives, and grime from surfaces. Number 5 is loosening stock. Screw, nuts, bolts, and locks that are rusted or stuck. Basically, W-40 is like a Swiss Army knife for metal maintenance. The application is W-40 is used in a wide range of environments. Number 1 is household, door hinge, sliding windows, locks, and bicycle. Automobile engine parts, brake component, for rust prevention only, nuts and bolts. Next is DIY and repair tools. Tools, garden equipment, and metal furniture. It is safe for most metals but should be used carefully on plastics and painted surfaces. Here are some advantages of WD-40. Number 1 is multi-purpose. Works for lubrication, rust protection, cleaning, and moisture displacement. Number 2 is easy to use. Comes in a spray can or precision applicator. Next is long-lasting. Thin films prevents corrosion for weeks. Next is penetrates and loosen stock parts without damaging them. Next is safe for metal surfaces and small mechanical devices. This makes WD-40 a must-have in workshop, homes, and factories. Here are some safety tips. While WD-40 is very useful, it should be used with care. Number 1 is avoid inhalation of fumes used in well-ventilated areas. Next is keep away from open flames. It is flammable. Next is avoid from contact with skin. Next is do not use on polycarbonate plastics or rubber for long periods. Next is store in a cool, dry place. Following these safety tips ensure effective and safe use of WD-40. WD-40 is a versatile, multi-purpose spray used for lubrication, rust prevention, moisture displacement, and cleaning. It is simple yet powerful solution for everyday maintenance in homes, workshop, and industries. Always use WD-40 carefully, follow safety instructions, and it will help extend the life of your tools, machines, metal, and objects. So, ayan guys, ang aming WD-40. Nakikita niyo siya guys. Yan ang kanyang front. Comes with the red stick. Ayan siya. Multi-use product. Ang aming W-40 is 302 ml. Ang takot niya na may naka-indicate na WD-40. Ayan siya. Ito naman siya sa back. Don't forget to shake well before use. Siya pwede sa pang-industrial, automotive, and garden. At home DIY. Yung mga direction for use niya. Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya. Ayan naman ang aming WD-40 multi-use product made in USA. WD-40-MUP-382. Ayan siya guys. Multi-use siya na product. Yun lang guys. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel and TikTok accounts. Thank you.